Nobody in this capacity crowd will be in their chair during this one. These four competitors are going to beat the hell out of each other with tables, ladders, and chairs.
This one could be the match of the night.
Oh, how much damage did that shoulder just receive? I like to compare The Miz to a bit of Lou Thesz, Harley Race, and even Shawn Michaels. I mean, all three of them combined into one super being.
And I like to tell you that you have no idea what you're talking about. And that thing can cause a whole lot of damage.
It'll be interesting to see who becomes the alpha male. He's heading up the ladder.
You know, CM Punk likes to play it, and he gets taken right off the ladder. I can't believe this is a no disqualification match. We didn't see anything in this one.
Punk controlling the weight. He's heading up the ladder. It nearly got away from him. The wily CM Punk is so cunning. You can't take him light. Heading back up the ladder. Randy Orton has said, you don't have to like it, but you have to respect it. Do you believe in those words?
Well, I know Randy Orton believes it. And let's face it, it's hard to argue with success. And Randy Orton is a success. He has the win-loss record to prove it. He has the path of destruction to prove it.
The excitement of the air is palpable for this no-holds-barred contest. He's heading up the ladder. Just unstable, disturbed is Randy Orton. We've seen Orton do this type of thing to numerous opponents. Remember, momentum in the WWE can turn.
He's going back up. Punk reversed it. Whoa, hang on there.
No disqualification match. Again, these men can do anything they want to each other. And he gets dumped unceremoniously from the ladder. Nick, how can you not be impressed with this?
It's not that I'm not impressed with his actions in the ring. It's his ego I have a problem with. It's so big it needs its own zip code.
Blasted. CM Punk got absolutely blasted there.
Here he goes again.
Wade Barrett, 6'5", 265 pounds from Manchester, England. Really no nonsense is Barrett.
And he's going for that ladder.
Heading back to the top.
Whoa, I think he lost his footing.
Oh, God.
Great strategy being shown by CM Punk here.
And the boot connects with the abdomen.
This is bad. Right on the kidney.
Is displaying viciousness here tonight.
Yeah, there's no doubt about it. His has a mean streak a mile wide.
A big fall, and all the air might be driven out of him.
Keep in mind, this is no disqualification. Anything can happen in this one. Now with a chair.
Very intelligent is Barrett. He game plans before every one of his matches.
He's got a chair. He's just lethal with that thing. Punk got rocked.
Oh, no.
Oh, my gosh. I thought he was going to get leveled there.
And he's out of the ring again. Randy Orton acknowledges that he can be sick and twisted. And indeed, he is just that. This no disqualification match has been a war. None of these superstars are likely to forget what happened here tonight. During his time on NXT, Wade Barrett was from behind. Miz skull-crushing finale. Somehow, someway, he figured out a way to make this even more violent. Good Lord, he's just hell-bent on naming his opponent.
That was vicious. He's just brutalizing his opponent.
It seems like Randy Orton's mind is always plotting. Miz goes behind. He may be intent on breaking the arm.
Michael, Be honest with me for once. Why do you love The Miz?
He's the greatest superstar of all time. Plus, he likes me.
Oh, man. What a battle this has been. There's no disqualification, anything. Oh, my gosh. He came down on that ladder.
What a shot. What a shot from the ladder.
That could cut you, break your bones. Simply put, permanent damage.
RKO, the Viper strikes. And a shot to the solar plexus.
Yow!
Orton loves to inflict punishment.
And that may be the only thing that he loves. Reversal by The Miz.
Miz. Oh, did you see that? His body twisting and turning in a sickening way.
Boy, he's really done his homework for this match.
Going up the ladder again.
Oh my gosh, he nearly fell.
What a hellaciously, almost there.
Man, that was a hard landing. How much more extreme? Oh, I don't know if the ladder's going to be up to task after that. He's not done with that ladder yet.
He's going back outside.
And there's the ladder.
Heading back up the ladder. Under the rules of a no disqualification match, the referee is powerless to stop this one. A tough jawbreaker there.
He's really been zeroed in on, but he's still showing some signs of life. Oh, look at this. He's hurting. He's hurt bad.
Wade Barrett is extremely dangerous with his fist. How smart is The Miz? Bottom line, the man should hold a doctorate in our craft.
Yeah, well, there's no denying The Miz's intelligence, but I still can't stand the guy.
What happened there?
Oh, he's going for the eyes.
Both competitors up on the ladder.
There's not enough room for both of them. He's heading back up. Watch out here.
Oh, he's measuring. Orton from behind.
Hey!
Wow, he was just about to get his head taken off. This is where Orton becomes, it's almost like he's wrestling with thoughts inside his head, struggling to find out what he's going to do next. When to take it to that next gear and that next level.
Watch him. Orton's got him.
CM Punk, the first ever straight edge heavyweight champion.
That's an accolade he'll enjoy reminding you of any chance he gets. Hey!
CM Punk, the Elliot Ness, and here they go, fighting with all their heart and soul.
Look out! Headbutt! He's stretching out that torso, checking for any bruises, and you know they're there. How much punishment can that body take? Not this.
He's looking at it again. RKO! Randy Orton is going ballistic.
He's trying to clear out the cobwebs. His head has to be screaming.
Oh my God! Look at this strength from Barrett.
Man, how many times is he going to get driven into that ladder? Oh, no!
And Barrett is just building momentum.
You watch this. I mean, Wade Barrett's not a guy you'd describe as remorseful in any way. This could get real bad.
Oh, what a neck breaker. There you go, Miz.
Miz is absolutely drenched from that cut. Evil intentions in the eyes of Orton. Uh-oh, he's got it again.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. What a move. Can he capitalize?
very physical competitor. He knows how to attack joints, elbows, ankles, wrists. Punk's just well versed when he's in control on the mat.
Now trying to make the climb again, slowly, but with everything he's been through as quickly as he can.
Good. Watch it.
Slam to the ground below. Wade Barrett delivered a massive wasteland.
Orton trapped it.
Randy Orton, so cagey, so crafty. Punk countered it. Oh, right between the eyes. Those X's on CM Punk's wrist are the universal sign of the straight edge. Heading back to the top. CM Punk, the self-proclaimed Second City Saint, is looking extremely impressive. A thunderous fall from the top of the ladder. Trying to keep the ladder steady as he scales the rungs. It nearly got away from him. Vintage Barrett.
He's going back up. Oh, careful.
Oh my God, that's got to be at least a 12-foot drop. Punk pushing the offense, allowing no timeouts in this match. The charismatic.
Oh, I thought he was going to get it there.
Every move Miz makes is with purpose. He's not flashy in the ring. He's effective. And most importantly, he's a winner.
Here he goes again.
Wasteland. Wade Barrett delivers more punishment.
The bare knuckle fighter doing what he does best. Whoa! I think he lost his footing. He's heading back up. Oh, what a fall!
He's begging for it. Another skull-crushing finale.
He needs to dig way down deep if he wants to keep going.
Watch it. Watch it. Punk could... Now trying to make the climb again, slowly, but with everything he's been through as quickly as he can. Does he have it? He did it! Barrett wins.